Hello friends, my name is Balaji and my partner Amrish. Today we are going to explain you about a small topic in the Indian Constitution called GST, full form Goods of Service Taxes. Goods of Service Taxes. Goods of Service. GST means it is a unified tax system which replaces multiple taxes by the central and state government. In simple words, GST is a comprehensive tax which is applied on the goods and services. Goods and services from the stage of production to the stage of distribution. From the stage of production to the stage of distribution. We all know that today we are going to pay a much more GST tax on each and every single product we do. Okay. GST was first introduced in the year 1950 by the country France. Later, GST is adopted by many countries like Australia, Spain, Monaco, and other Soviet countries like Russia, United States, etc. In India, it was adopted in the year 2000. India in 2000. Later, the GST came to force on the 1st July 2017 after a committee set up by Atal Bihari Vajpayee. After that committee, the GST came to force in India on the day 1st July 2017. Next, GST replaces many taxes like service tax and other land taxes and etc. When we come to state matters, GST is applied like entry tax, luxury tax, and vehicle tax, and other. In case of government buses, it is scanned by a small QR code, which is applicable for only for the tax payment only. Okay. After this, there are some types of GST. These types are explained by my friend Amrish.
About GST is told by friend, and now I am going to discuss about types of GST. These GST and types of GST plays an important role in the Indian economy. And types of GST, there are 4 types of GST, and they are types of GST. And first type of GST is SGST. What is mean by SGST? Form of SGST is State Government Services and Taxes. And second one is CGST. Third one is IGST. And fourth one is UTGST. And now we are going to discuss about SGST. It is the first type of GST, and what does it mean? These are the taxes, these are the service taxes which is collected by the all over the government in the state. The state government has to collect these services of taxes of all the products. That are the products which are transaction all over the state. Through only a particular state it has referred. These are the GSTs which are taken by all over the state. CGST. CGST means Central Goods Services and Taxes. These are the CGST which has collected through all over the states in central. In India, all over the states has taxes that are collected through transactions from one state to another state. The products they are bought and for their products which they buy. And now we are going to discuss about IGST. IGST means Integrated Goods Services Taxes. These integrated goods services and taxes which are IGST, Integrated Goods Services and Taxes. These are the taxes which are going to import and export from the all states during collecting the revenue. And UTGST, what is mean by UTGST? Union Territory. These are the service taxes which have been collected by the all over union territories in India.
Okay, today we learned about GST and its types and when it is introduced and later it is adopted.